In today's FX markets, let's take a look at the Japanese yen futures as they're experiencing some pretty heavy selling pressure today. Yen futures are coming off of 3 consecutive days of higher price action to trade lower today. And with today's levels, we're down a little over 0.75%. And we look at it relative to other major FX futures markets, it is demonstrating the weakest relative strength today when you look at the majors, as it is down over 0.75% in today's market action. Driving factors. One of the primary drivers appears to be U.S. economic data. It has influenced the market throughout the week, and today we got the JOLTS job openings ahead of the much anticipated labor data in the coming days, but it expanded on a month-over-month basis to the surprise, I think, of many market participants as we continue to see labor market expanding, indicating more job openings, potentially indicating stronger economy than what the market anticipated. We did see a shift in interest rates after that data point, and the dollar continued to show some strength after that data point. And I think that culminated in the fact that we're seeing the selling pressure persist pretty much across most of the major FX futures markets today. Now, looking at the general trends, with the selling pressure today, the yen is back in the upper middle of the range for the past month. We did push up towards the top end of the range in the previous session, but now giving back a little over 0.75% today. We're still pushing into that middle range now. And that range has been pretty defined here for the last 5 weeks or so. And we're falling back into the upper middle of that range with today's selling pressure. Other major FX futures markets today, lower across the board, pretty much the yen experiencing the heaviest selling pressure. We're seeing the euro down about 0.5%. Really, the one strongest performer in the quadrant today would be the British pound, and it has been the theme really for the better part of the last couple of months, with the British pound coming off recent highs, which are multi-month highs. And so the British pound just down slightly on the session, with the euro, the Swiss franc, the Japanese yen, as well as the Australian dollar experiencing heavier selling pressure, and the Japanese yen giving up some ground after 3 days of higher price levels.